The Having, The Secret Art of Feeling and Growing Rich by Suh Yoon and Hong. Having is abundantly feeling what you already have at the moment of spending money. It is the power that attracts wealth. Having easily enables you to bring yourself great riches, even with the same amount of effort, and to find the path to become your true self. Each one of us has wondered, how can I live a more prosperous life? How can I live a life free of financial concerns? The key to changing your circumstances is emotions, not thought. If you use your emotional energy well, it can be a source of wealth for you. True comfort is felt when your actions are perfectly aligned with what your soul wants. Let your soul lead you and act accordingly to your comfort. If you pay attention to what you truly want, you will naturally distance yourself from wasteful purchases. Many of us get caught up in our own worldview and lock up our own potential. Anyone who can break free of this can fully use their potential to become rich. You can change the world around you. You are being with the energy to create the future.